Every 2 seconds, someone in the world needs blood. Donating blood is a safe, simple act of kindness that can save lives. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of blood donation, so you know exactly what to expect. The process begins with registration. You'll provide your name, contact information, and a form of ID. You'll also answer a short questionnaire about your medical history and travel to ensure it's safe for you to donate. Next is a brief health screening. A staff member will check your temperature, pulse, blood pressure, and hemoglobin level. This ensures your body is ready to donate and that your blood will be safe for patients. Once you're cleared, you'll be seated comfortably in a donation chair. Your arm will be cleaned with an antiseptic, and a sterile needle will be inserted into a vein, usually in your non-dominant arm. The actual blood collection takes about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll donate around 450 milliliters of blood, enough to save up to 3 lives. Throughout the process, you'll be monitored to ensure you feel well. Once the donation is complete, the needle is carefully removed and your arm is bandaged. You may be asked to hold pressure on the site briefly to stop any bleeding. Afterward, you'll rest for about 10 to 15 minutes and enjoy a light snack and drink. This helps your body begin to replenish fluids and prevents dizziness. Before you leave, you'll be given some of these post-donation instructions. Drink plenty of water. Avoid heavy lifting or strenuous exercise for the next 24 hours. And enjoy the fact that you just made a powerful difference. Giving blood is safe, simple, and profoundly impactful. Thank you for stepping up. You're not just donating blood, you're giving hope. You are donating life.